All right, let's talk left turns because they're not all the same. Left turns without traffic lights. These are the raw, unfiltered kind of turns. No arrows, no guidance, just your eyes, your judgment, and a big dose of awareness. You're pulling out of a side street trying to make a left across 4 lanes of traffic, or you're exiting a parking lot and need to thread the needle between 2 streams of cars going 45 miles per hour. These types of left turns are some of the most dangerous. Here are a couple of tips for these types of turns. Treat them like a 2-stage turn if needed. You cross into the center median or refuge lane first, then complete the turn once safe and you have a significant amount of room. If your view is blocked by another vehicle, don't go blind. Edge forward slowly to get a better angle. And most importantly, if you're not sure, don't go. All right, let's move to a safer, more straightforward kind of turn, the protected left turn. You've got a green arrow, you're clear to go. Life's good, right? Yes, but there are still some hidden challenges here. For one, traffic. In a busy city or during peak hours, left turn lanes get backed up fast. And that's especially true in places with short signal cycles or high volume intersections. You might only get 3 or 4 cars through each cycle. If you're the 5th car in line, that green arrow might turn yellow or vanish completely before you get your shot. I've seen this all the time in cities like Phoenix or Orlando. You'll have this long line of cars in the left turn lane or even 2 or 3 left turn lanes, and someone gets impatient, tries to beat the yellow, and boom, you've got a fender bender, or worse. Even with a green arrow, you can't turn your brain off, and you can't always trust that people are not going to go through the intersection. So, on protected left turns, anticipate the signal timing. If you drive the same road often, learn the rhythm of the lights. Don't block the intersection if you can't complete the turn, and be especially aware of pedestrians. Some signals allow them to cross at the same time as your arrow. Just because you have the green doesn't mean everyone else follows the rules. Now we're getting to the trickiest type of all, the unprotected or flashing yellow left turn. These are turns where you do not have the right of way. You've got a green light or a flashing yellow arrow, and you're expected to yield onto oncoming traffic, but go when it's safe. This causes more hesitation, more crashes, and more honking than almost any other type of turn. The flashing yellow means go if it's clear, but nobody taught me that, not in driver's ed, not in LA. It wasn't common there at the time. And that's part of the problem. Unprotected turns vary by region, and the signage isn't always clear. Some places use a solid green light for left turns with no arrow, like most of Southern California. Others use a flashing yellow, like many places in the Midwest. But both mean the same thing. If you didn't grow up with it, it's easy to hesitate. In Los Angeles, my driver's ed instructor taught me to stay behind the line until the intersection was clear. My dad, who was actually my first driver's ed instructor, who grew up in and learned to drive in New York City, said, if you don't go into the intersection, you're going to get someone that shoots you before you ever make it through. So in general, I've always taught that when you're waiting to turn left and the light is green, you move into the intersection with your wheels straight, just in case you do get hit from behind. Once you're in the intersection, you have the complete right of way all the way until the light turns red. In LA, that was the norm, but in other states, I've seen people wait at that line and miss their chance entirely and make me very, very impatient if I'm behind them. So part of mastering unprotected lefts is learning regional etiquette and assertiveness with awareness. So here are some tips for unprotected left turns. When you're allowed, enter the intersection while waiting to turn. It's legal in most states and gives you a better chance to complete the turn. Watch for oncoming drivers speeding up to beat the light. Don't assume they'll stop, especially if you're in a small vehicle. If you hesitate too long, you might never get the gap you need. But if you rush it, you might get hit. It's a delicate balance. Always watch and be defensive. And left turns can be a test of nerves, timing, and judgment, but they don't have to be dangerous. By understanding the type of turn you're making, knowing the right etiquette, and learning how to read the situation, you can make smarter decisions and avoid unnecessary risk. And hey, we all get impatient sometimes, but if you're the one stuck behind a hesitant driver, don't be the one laying on the horn. Maybe they're just trying to figure out what that flashing yellow means, like I did once. If you've got a story about a left turn that went wrong or almost did, I'd love to hear it. Email me anytime at freewaytrafficexpert@gmail.com. Don't forget to check out our entire driving resource where you can get your free ebook, Drive Smarter Now, at drivesmarternow.com.